مرحبا 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 8th graders. كيف حالكم? Awesome class. So today's lesson is a continuation of our daily routines. Last week we started with the daily routines and we did some activities, and today we are going to continue with more of that. So here we have the daily routines. الروتين اليومي. الروتين اليومي. And remember, boys and girls, we said that الروتين is the same, and the word يومي comes from يوم, like daily comes from day. الروتين اليومي. Let's go ahead and look at the learning target. I can learn about my daily routine, describe them, put them in order, and answer questions related to daily routine. All right? Shukran. And we went over our expectations. So by now, you should have your Arabic daftar open with your pencil, and we are going to continue the table we started in lesson 1. All right? Just a quick reminder, the table was about the activity in English, the transliteration, how we say it in Arabic, the way we write it in Arabic, and then the location. Remember, في الحمام في غرفة النوم. All right, so this is our first one. أستيقظ أستيقظ أستيقظ. I wake up. Then we covered أغسل وجهي أغسل وجهي, and we added the location في الحمام في الحمام, in the bathroom. أغسل وجهي في الحمام. Then we have أغسل أسناني أغسل أسناني في الحمام. أستحم أستحم, I take a shower. أستحم في الحمام. So remember your locations now. So far we have one, which is في الحمام, in the bathroom. That's about to change after this one. So we have here, I dress up, I get dressed. ألبس ملابسي ألبس ملابسي في غرفة النوم في غرفة النوم. Remember, boys and girls, this is a review from last week. So ألبس ملابسي في غرفة النوم. What's غرفة النوم? Yes, it's the bedroom. ممتاز. And here I have أقول صباح الخير. I say صباح الخير. أقول good morning. This is, remember when we said we get dressed, then the first person we meet, we tell them, صباح الخير, and then they will answer صباح النور. And this is where we stopped, boys and girls. All right, so let's have a look at our new slide. آكل الفطور. Look at this one. I have breakfast. آكل, I eat. الفطور is breakfast. آكل الفطور. Remember, boys and girls, why do I have here an A and an Aleph for آكل? Because it's me who is eating. آكل الفطور. الفطور is breakfast. So in our class, we are adding the location, and we're going to say, I eat breakfast in the kitchen. في المطبخ. Please write it exactly the way you hear it. في المطبخ. في is in, المطبخ is kitchen. I know what you're thinking. I know you're saying, no, I don't have breakfast. No, I have breakfast in the car. I have breakfast in the living room. I know, but we are covering this, like the basics, all right? آكل الفطور في المطبخ. Next is I go to school. أذهب إلى المدرسة. أذهب إلى المدرسة. Also it's an ألف for أنا. أنا أذهب. أذهب I go. إلى is to. المدرسة school. The school. أذهب إلى المدرسة. When I put here L, it means the. I go to school or to the school, to my school. أذهب إلى مدرستي, my school, Amana Academy. All right? أذهب إلى المدرسة. Please write it down and add it to your table in your daftar. شكرا. All right. Now, see how this is fast. I go to school, I come back home. Wow, imagine, boys and girls, like school is like 5 seconds. How would you feel? So, this is our next slide. I return back home. I go back home. أعود إلى البيت. أعود إلى البيت. أعود is I return. إلى is to. البيت is the house. Just like this one here. Look at this one here. أذهب إلى المدرسة. إلى is to and المدرسة is the school. We're looking here at أعود. I return إلى to البيت. Home is البيت. All right? Let's see what we have here. Oh, look how unhappy and miserable he is. But why? Because he is doing his homework. أدرس. أدرس is I study. Again, the alif here is for me أدرس. أدرس. I would like to add a location. So where do you think we're going to do our homework? Let's say in my room, in my bedroom. So it's going to say أدرس. أدرس. Who remembers what in is in Arabic? في غرفة النوم. So this slide will be أدرس في غرفة النوم. The location will be في غرفة النوم, in the bedroom. All right? Next. We're done with homework, so we're going to be watching TV. أشاهد التلفاز. أشاهد is I watch. أشاهد, I am the one who's watching. التلفاز comes from television. See? TV, television, تلفاز. أشاهد is the verb I watch. التلفاز, television. I would like to add a location. Let's put in the living room. So أشاهد التلفاز في غرفة الجلوس. أشاهد التلفاز في غرفة الجلوس. All right? Let's see what our next slide is. Oh, he's going to sleep. Good night. Sweet dreams. This is أنام. أنام أنام I sleep I go to bed أنام في غرفة النوم, or we can say في سريري. سريري is my bed. أنام is the verb I sleep. أنام في سريري. All right, boys and girls, those are the daily routines that we will be covering with you in Arabic. And like I said, we have lots of activities installed for you. I will be posting them in Google Classroom, also the study guide, of course. I would like to do together this activity in Arabic. Let's look at the picture and see what this kid is doing. All right. واحد, number 1. وفرش أسناني. Number 2. أستحم. Number 3. أستيقظ. Number 4. آكل الفطور. Number 5. أدرس. All right? Let's do it one more time with the locations. Number 1. أفرش أسناني في الحمام. Number 2. أستحم في الحمام. Number 3. أستيقظ في غرفة النوم أو من سريري. Number 4. آكل الفطور في المطبخ. Number 5. أدرس في غرفة النوم. All right, 8th graders, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And for practice, we will be, working on putting our daily routines in order. We will be also doing, matching. And a fun part also, you will get to ask your classmates about also their daily routine. All right? I'll see you later, and shukran wa ma'as salama.